They call me Justin. Justin Kerbal.
What's the matter?
What's the matter, Francine?
Was it not good for you? But you know who I am and what me and the girls do here at this bar.
Francine, I know. Want it, Francine?
I like it when you're angry. You think I'm just gonna run away with you, a poor man?
I got a big job coming up, Francine.
Is it above the law this time? I mean, is it? What is it?
I broke out before I could break out again, and I'll break out 1,000,000 times over just to have you. I love you, Francine.
Francine! I'm ready for my appointment!
I got 5 more minutes, McGilligan.
Okay, I'll get ready!
Put your damn clothes on. Just flopping about like that. Who do you think you are?
I'm going to be a rich man.
Good luck! The doors are quite thin here! Hey! Looks like someone had a good time!
Get the fuck out of here.
Like you normally have it?
Yes, please! So that... I'm so sorry. I know you were expecting a phone delivery, but I swear I'm going to come here and just lick at this place.
Sir?
Open it. Read it.
I can't.
Hello, stop. The package is in the 3rd carriage. Stop. All secure and clear. Stop.
You expecting a tip?
Here you go.
No.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't reach my station in life by giving tips to the undeserving.
Tip the telegram boy.
Telegram boy. Train's coming. Unless you want to be in front of it, I suggest you leave me to my business.
Sir,
I get out of here, boy. I've seen some boys in front of trains before.
It's suggested that you fill in a customer feedback form.
We're gonna use a code word for the diamonds.
All right.
We're gonna call them
Emerald.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. First, thank you to you for delivering his emerald.
All right, well, I'll catch you later. I'm going to get a coffee.
That won't standing on 2 legs. No, please, no.
Taking something in this dead body.
What?
I don't understand it, but I can't have it in my town. You understand?
We don't believe in superstitions around here.
No.
You come here with your big city slicker ways. You think I ain't up to the task?
No. I think
Hunting down whichever lowlife did this?
honestly, I promise, I really think that
I'm
I should
up
do
to
this.
it. I'm up to it.
I see-
Oh, my name isn't Claude McAvoy. Would have been in this here case. Was diamonds?
There was a clever scheme to pretend they were emeralds.
Of the law.
What's the name of his town, little sheriff?
Los Casablanca.
And what is Los Casablanca?
Well, that's your name, sir, even though it is incorrectly translated to the Spanish because it lacks the plural at the end.
Well,
Yeah. You think
You
he's
mean that jailbird who done skipped out of jail and then skipped into your bed?
Sometimes can't decide whether... person, but my heart's telling me My heart. Can I borrow that?
You want a fresh one?
No. We don't have the money for a fresh one.
You really think there's a man wolf out there killing people? That would be insane. Was it nighttime or the dark time? Wait a minute. I can't think so good, Count of the syphilis.
You're gonna cry for half an hour, so.
That's all right. That's all right. Why don't you read me one of your poems now?
Oh. You're freshly waxed. I can tell.
We'll finish this in the room.
Half of it like a waste dump. He takes all the shit and refuse from all the neighboring towns and pumps them into the river. He's not a good man, Francine. We could be. Ooh.
Moon.
Thank you.
That's all right. You work on your rhyming couplets. I'll see you tomorrow.
God damn it. You telling me that Terrence McAvoy's been here?
Multiple times. He's came over there. He's came over there. Took an awful shine to one of the girls.
Which girl?
I can't remember her name. I have syphilis.
Come with me to my family home.
Come with you? Oh.
No, not like that. We need some extra protection. Not like that. Not like that.
Fuck, it's bright.
Hurry up, Grandpappy. People's lives are at stake.
Oh, well, then I'll tell my hit. People's lives are at stake. You best start to work. People
I do not miss this sarcastic son of a bitch.
Why did you come? I'm going back up.
Where are they? Silver bullets, where are they?
Silver bullets.
Yes.
It's happening again.
Yes, Grandpappy.
No good of a silver bullet if you can't fire 600 of them per minute. Whoa! Now that's a pose. Why'd you throw that through my window? Could have opened my window first. Goddamn disrespectful young generation.
There's
Don't
no
know
time,
where they came
Grandpappy.
from. I came over here. I built this town. I built this city. I built it.
You're mighty big. Bigger than I remember.
I've kept his
You're
secret.
scaring him! You're scaring him!
You scaring him! Now
Look
shut
how
up.
scared he looks! Look how scared he looks!
He comes and goes every month, like clockwork.
Relatable.
But the only one who knew a combination was my servant. Oh, it was him. Just me. He picked it up. You opened the window. Just your knees. He picked it. It was all. He picked it up. Go through the windows. It was all. Allah. McAvoys! Seen the McAvoy.
Bonus C!
Put your damn clothes on.
Francine,
Yes.
now that we've got our own little house on this prairie, I ain't never wearing clothes again.
I knew I should have followed my heart. Now, you truly are the only man in my life.
Are you almost down in there?
Don't! That's just post-traumatic, don't worry. We'll work through it.
The only way I know how.